Hello, how is everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a good day. My Ipsy bag here recently, and I hope the lighting is working well because I have my window open because I've actually moved some things around to where my window, the light can come in, the daylight. So hopefully this will work better for me than the lighting I had before. We'll see. But this is this month's Ipsy bag. Look how pretty the April Ipsy bag is. I love it. A while back ago, the Dollar Tree had a bag like this, and they had these little butterflies that I think were like an orange shade and whatnot. And I almost picked it up. I did not. When I went back the next time, of course, the bag was now no longer there. And then I always kind of wanted it and missed it, but I've kept looking for it. I've never seen it ever again. But these are prettier. So this has squelched my desire for the bag that I saw at the Dollar Tree. But isn't this gorgeous? And it's got